Hi, this is Brittany with Followup CRM, and we're going to run through the bid list report. This report is great because it gives you a list of all the projects with an assigned bid date over a period of time that you select. So the first thing we're going to do is go to Reports under the General tab, and then you're going to want to filter by a future date, maybe the next 7 days or the next 30 days. I selected this just for demonstrative purposes, and then you select your offices, select Bid List, select Get Report, and you can run this in a PDF or an Excel. The PDF looks like this, and here we have the projects with a bid date, and then we have all the information surrounding that bid. And what's also cool about this is it breaks it down into different roles. So we can see the account manager, estimator, and takeoff person, and how many bids they have, and all the information surrounding that bid as well. So this is great to take into a team or a sales meeting and just give everyone an overview of what's going on. We hope this helps you and helps clear things up.